Troubleshooting BMO cashback issues requires a systematic approach to identify and resolve the problem. Start by verifying your account information to ensure everything is up to date and accurate. Check your account balance and transaction history to see if the cashback has been credited. If the issue persists, review the terms and conditions of your BMO cashback program to understand the eligibility criteria and any potential restrictions. Make sure you have met the minimum spend requirements and that the purchase qualifies for cashback. Next, contact BMO customer support to report the issue and provide detailed information about the transaction, including the date, amount, and merchant. The customer support team will investigate the issue and provide a resolution or explain the reason for the missing cashback. It is also important to keep track of your cashback rewards and monitor your account regularly to detect any issues early on. You can do this by setting up account alerts and notifications to inform you of any changes to your account balance or cashback earnings. To avoid future issues, make sure to read and understand the program terms and conditions, and keep your account information up to date. By following these steps, you can efficiently troubleshoot BMO cashback issues and ensure you receive the rewards you are eligible for. Additionally, consider keeping a record of your transactions and cashback earnings to help you track your rewards and identify any discrepancies. This will also help you to quickly provide the necessary information to customer support if you need to report an issue. By being proactive and taking the necessary steps to troubleshoot and prevent issues, you can maximize your BMO cashback rewards and enjoy the benefits of the program.